Good morning. We got another underground car meet today. Rolling out with the illest squad. This is just a pre-meet, and now we're about to go head out to the underground and set up. Arrived to the underground part 2. Everybody's still staging, but this one's going to be way more insane than the last one that we had, because this is now, it's 2 floors instead of 1. There's already supercars, JDM cars, a whole bunch of everything. There's some like little vintage ones upstairs, so I'm gonna try to get the best ones before they play music. DK is back from Monterey. He's ready to, you ready to drift it in here? Let's recreate the scene.
Recreate the whole movie, bro.
Look, yeah, we're gonna look right here too. Red Evo and the 370 Drift King. They're both here. We're gonna recreate the drift scene going around right here.
We got the elevator too.
And the elevator scene. You know why they call him DK?
Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong. Look how hard this shot is. 4 GTRs all lined up in like a little square. I should be right here in the middle. I'm over there in the corner. Top secret full wide body kit. Bridge seats. Oh, these seats are different. I like this. Red just pops out so much. This wide body one we've seen a lot. The homie I rolled up with. Everyone's still setting up. We still got like 2 more hours before the show starts. So everybody's just trying to get cleaned up and set up. This is my twin right here. GTR on the LMs. Just can't go wrong with this wheel. He got the track build. IS300 with a big turbo. Got a V8 in it. The tire on this thing. Big touchscreen too. Finally got it set up. I'm with the homie right here, GTR boys. Behind us we got the famous RWB. You've seen this one in all of my videos. Hako just pulled up the new Z Crazy Wrap, like a pink glitter Datsun. The famous 250Z with the dual motor has showed up. I know you guys see this one everywhere too. One right there, one right there, and it's bagged. They got the best setup here. At home vibes. And the cars, they got a Lancia, a Maserati. I think that's a Ferrari over there. But this thing right here is insane. I've never seen one of these in person before. It's an MC20, is that what it says? I know nothing about this thing, but this thing is beautiful. Look at the paint. It's like a purple fade to it in the yellow. I gotta talk loud over this music, but this is like a race car Ferrari right here. Fully tracked out. The underground experience, turn around, straight Tokyo Drift vibes. I'm gonna try to get it when it gets fully packed up so it'll look better. Upstairs we got all the vendors, a couple more cars. Everyone's still setting up, a little too early. We even got Boba down here at the parking garage. Bobas and cars. Simple and clean. I believe this is an E30. Correct me if I'm wrong. Silver on silver. I like it. AMG bagged on the TEs. That boy fitted. Mopar boys got the Trackhawk right here. Is this a Trackhawk or is this a I don't even know, but big fat tire, front and back. This thing is gapping everybody. Got an Outlander build right here next to this tiny Miata, little skeleton in it, passenger princess. All right, we stopped to get some food real quick because we haven't ate breakfast. So I got that honey haze and I got a chicken burrito. Okay, I forgot to show it when I got it, but I got a burrito. I already drank some of the coffee. We made a little setup right here, a little temporary setup with all the cars. We're gonna have a little picnic. All right, Tasha wrapped cars are here.
These niggas can't fuck with me, and I'm starting to feel like last night shit I can't recall. You know a stripper made it tail on the back of wall. I just drink all.
Alright, it got super hot in here, so I took off my jacket. All the fumes is kicking up over here, way too many cars on. I smell all the E85. But now that the music's a little down over here, we got the Itasha wrapped cars. I want to see the Chewan one over here, so let's go check that one out. Shout out Chewan. Actually looks pretty good. This guy switches wraps so fast, he a big baller. Got the whole trunk set going in. And he got a Ferris wheel too. That's the new addition right there. Wow, look at this one. Long body boys on the triple chrome BBSs. Supra boys. Got yin and yang right here. Fat tire on that black one. But I love the white one. White on white. Can't go wrong with that. Especially on the TEs. F340 boys. Teo Ramos, where y'all at? You guys need that hood right there. This is an insane G35. It's like a molded white body kit. And then look at the hood. Got like a little Hawaiian tribal wrap over it. I like it. And it's like red carbon too. Front grille and on the hood. With the underglow and the splitter matches too. Stop playing. Lambo doors with the TV on them. Luxury, right? Oh, he got PlayStation on here too. Play video games while waiting. That's a vibe right there. Interior is nice too. Everything's all red. What do you guys think? You guys like this build? One of the wildest Camaros I've ever seen. Police bash bar, Lambo doors, and that wing. Let's go check out that wing. I have never seen a wing like this, chassis mounted. This thing looks so aggressive. It's a whole lot of downforce right there. SC300 on the work wheels. Got the police mobile right here too. Livery, I believe this is from Europe. These are all the Subis we were rolling with on the way here. This one is super loud, pops like crazy. I don't know if I got any clips of us driving over there, but look, same blow-off valve as me. Purple tile. I love the Hawkeyes, one of my favorite Subis ever. We got the new GTR, already put underglow on it. You guys like this body style? It's a little more boxier. I kind of like the older styles. I like the round look way better, but still nice. I think this is supposed to be Bow Wow's car right here. The Hulk hamster mobile. It's just missing the little Hulk hands right here on the doors. Big turbo Supra. Look how big this turbo is. Oh my god. That thing is crazy. How much horsepower is this thing pushing? With the gold badges. I love the gold badges. And Tome or no way. We got a bit of muscle cars too. Some right there, right here, over here. I'm gonna try to get some close-ups because I know you guys like the variety over here. But look how long this one is. It's like a limo. Engine bay super clean, as well as the interior. I like this one right here. Chevelle. And this one's a scary sight. A muscle car, big tire, and a gap cam. It's over for you. Don't mess with this. Look at his gauges. You got the gauge right on the hood too. NSX boys, I know you guys love these cars. Black, white, and yellow. Which one you guys taking? Taking Pikachu over here. Look, Paperboy getting him angles, and he got a baby. Dedication. Check out the vibes now. Everyone's starting to get settled in. Now it's looking like a real movie. GT3 pulled up. Stick shift too. Look at everybody trying to get their shot. Everybody wants this thumbnail right here. I'm about to get mine too. Honda boys came outside to play. Integras, DC2s and DC5s. Look at the crowd. Everybody's going crazy. Got the Lancia, the ultimate showstopper. I think this is my first time seeing one in person. Lambos are out of here, or the exotics are out of here now. GTR. Aventador. I hit the jackpot. I found the Audi wagons. I love these. This one got BBS's on it. Baller, bag, aired out. This other Audi right here, Swan Neck Wing, and a roll cage. Track ready. But I really like this one. Stock wheels look good too. With the roof box. Ultimate Daily. If I won the lotto, I'm getting one of these. Oh, I really like the color on the Supra. It's like a orangey peach, bronze TEs, and he got the sticker to match the wrap. This whole row is filled with Evos. This is Evo Town right here. This one right here is super nice. We've seen this at Cars and Copters. I love the wheels. It's the one in the sun. It turns like a purplish tint to it with the halo lights. I really like the livery on this GR86, like a drift theme to it. Meisters too? We made it outside to get some fresh air. Gonna try to capture some cars rolling out. Supra FD. Ooh, Mini Coupe. Ooh, Type R. Gray color. I like that color. Stop playing. G80 on the BBSs. C6, my favorite Corvette. Ooh, CTSV. It's the Hawkeye. Alright, I went outside to take a little break. It ends in about an hour, but sorry if this video is a little choppy and everywhere because they're playing loud music. I don't want to get copyrighted, so it might be bouncing all over the place. But after the meet tonight, we got invited out to a little media thing by Street Vader, so it might be another night run. We'll see, but I'm for sure gonna record that, so I'll pick back up the camera. Check this out. I didn't expect to win anything, but we got second runner-up for Nissan. Spam W's in the chat. So unfortunately, the night run got canceled. It'll happen next month, but I just went home. I'm gonna end the video off here. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.